What's up everyone, this is Steve from Supermods Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a bootable USB of OS X Monterey so that you'll be able to boot from a thumb drive and reinstall the operating system on any Mac device if so it becomes corrupted or you have any issues. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is a flash drive with at least 16 gigabytes or more to be able to upload this install onto it. So bear in mind, and I also recommend that at least you have a USB 3.0 or better, because if you use a USB 2.0, this installation process can be very long and it will take long to run this program onto the flash drive itself. So be sure that you're using a USB 3.0 or better drive, and that is the first thing that you need. The second thing you need is that you need to go to the App Store and you're gonna download, look for your folder called macOS, and we're gonna look for Monterey, which is not even showing up here. There we go. And you need to download this. So of course it's gonna come up as a utility. You click view, you click get, and you let this file download, which will take quite some time. You're not going to install it because it's going to download into the machine, and then we already have it here, so there's no need to download it again. All right, so that's the second step you need to do. Make sure you have it downloaded, and what we'll do is we'll go into our applications folder where we have the download, which is going to say install. As I can find it, let's see, install macOS Monterey. So you're gonna look for this file here after it has been downloaded, and you're gonna double click on it, and you're gonna click show package contents, and then you're gonna go in contents, and I believe you go into resources, and you see this create install media file. You need this file in order to build your flash drive. All right, so before we get to this, the next thing we need to do is format our flash drive in disk utility. So I have a Micro Center USB 3.1 drive that I'm going to use to build this. So hopefully it'll build this installer pretty quickly and it won't take a long time. So I'm going to plug this drive in, and the next thing we're going to do is head over to disk utility, which you could just click in the search bar up here. Disk utility, launch that. Now this is the 3.0 disk that we're talking about here. So all we're going to do is we're going to erase it, and we're going to change this to GUID partition map, and we're going to name this. It'll change when it needs to, but we'll do that for now. Make sure it's on Mac OS X extended journal. Click erase. So we're formatting this drive so that it's able to load that software on. So this is the second step that we're going to do, and then we're going to launch terminal, and then we're going to put in some commands and get this thing going. So it's pretty much just drag and drop stuff. It's nothing crazy, and we should be able to get this thing going. All right, so now that we have our thumb drive formatted, it should pick up anytime soon over here in disk utility. So what we're going to do is launch terminal. I have terminal down here because we run a lot of terminal commands. You're going to type sudo space, oh wait, sudo space, no, not sudo, sudo space, and then we're going to drag this create install media folder here. Then we're going to double click 2 times the dash, volume, space, and then we're gonna copy over my thumb drive, which it didn't load again. Oh, it did load. And I'm gonna drag that folder over. I didn't realize it. And then we're gonna drop it over, and then we're gonna hit enter. Return. It's gonna ask for your password. You're gonna type in your password for your device. I'm gonna hit enter. Now it's gonna say to continue, we need to erase the volume at volumes Monterey. If you wish to continue, type Y, press enter. And now as you can see, it's erasing the disk, reformatting the disk so that it can now install the Monterey onto the flash drive so that we're able to boot from it. So I'm gonna pause this video real quick while this process is running, and we'll return as soon as it's done. Okay guys, we are done. As you can see, it says installed media now available at volumes install OS X Monterey, Supermods MacBook Pro, Supermods Pro. So do not unplug your USB until this process is finished. Once it's finished, you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for future videos and to support our channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.